The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for all of North Dakota beginning at 11:46 p.m. Monday, December 13th and ending at 12:46 a.m. Tuesday, December 14th. A silver alert is being issued by NDHP and NDBCI at the request of the Tioga Police Department. Alan Walter Bauer of Tioga, North Dakota is a 64-year-old white male. He is 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighs 210 pounds and has gray hair and blue eyes. His last known whereabouts were his residence in Tioga, ND on December 13th at 7 a.m. He is believed to be driving an orange 2014 Ford Extended Cab F-150 with North Dakota license plate 242CBL. Additional information. Mr. Bauer may be wearing a gray long-sleeve shirt, dark blue sweatpants and brown slippers. Mr. Bauer has a medical condition that causes him to get confused and he may be lost. If you have any information regarding Mr. Bauer's whereabouts, please contact the Tioga Police Department at 701-664-2514. The above silver alert information is available to the public by calling 511 at www.nesponc.gov/alert.